What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. If you are new to the channel, my name is Watson and this is Watson Motoring. Today I'm going to share with you some cool features that this car has, and I think maybe some people doesn't know. I think it should be for all three: IS350, 250, or ISF. The more that you live with a car, the more you learn about it. So these are some stuff that I learned over the years that I own this car, and I want to share it with you guys. All right, let's get to the video. Alright guys, now the cool thing about this is the paddle shifters. Usually to use them, you have to push this to the left, so you can use the paddle shifter up and down. But I figured that you can just leave this in drive and press these two to tether and let it go. Like right now, I can just press these and then it'll just pop up, and then I can just up and down shift with these being left on drive. Now they only town sizes. To shut it off, you have to push it here again, then push it back to drive, and it'll go to normal. Like here, I'm gonna tow it again. You press this to tether for a few seconds and let it go, and press down, and it's there. It's like, I think that's a cool feature that people don't know. And then to fix it, you push that back and push it back to drive, and then it'll be fine. And another feature that I like, let's see, it's raining, you put your wipers on at full speed. For example, let's see, there's cars in front of you, or this is a stop sign and you stop here. The wipers will slow down. Like now, they not going as fast as they were, but once you start driving again, it will go back to normal. Now let's say all the doors are locked and you open your trunk. This actually happened to my wife. What happened is she went grocery shopping, but all the doors were locked. While she was loading groceries in here, she accidentally dropped the key in the trunk, and then she closed the trunk. Now and then she will Liza, she dropped the key and the trunk. I was actually like 3 hours away, and I had the other key in my pocket, and she called me freaking out saying that she dropped the key inside the trunk and the door's locked. She doesn't know what to do, and the I have the other key. Now if this ever happened to you, what you cannot do is just hold that button here, and the trunk will open for you. I think that's really, really cool. If you just walk out of the car, the car is still running, you shut the door and you hear it beep and let you know that you left the car on. And for example, let's see you left your key in here and you shut off the car and you try to walk away, and then when you try to close the door, the car will beep and let you know that you left the key inside. And we will not end this video without a little acceleration. Let's see. Alright guys, if you are new to the channel and this is your first time, please subscribe, comment, and give this video a thumbs up, and then I will see you next time.
Perfect.